What's up everybody, I'm Damien and welcome to my channel, Good Money Club. Do you keep hearing about all the ways that AI is going to take over the internet and how some people are making millions of dollars with things like Chat GPT3? Well, if you want to get in on a piece of this AI action, I have the absolute easiest way for you to invest in companies that use artificial intelligence in their products. I did a ton of research and I found the top 6 AI stocks that you need to add to your watch list in 2023. So number 6 is the ticker symbol EPAM, and the company is called EPAM Systems Inc. EPAM provides software application and consulting services. They help other companies utilize AI to increase efficiencies and to gain a competitive advantage in their marketplace. Let's take a look at the stock and a couple key performance metrics. So the ticker symbol is EPAM. The price is about $325. The PE ratio is 46.11. The dividend yield is 0%, so this company doesn't pay a dividend. The market cap is $18.2 billion. If we take a quick look at the 5-year stock chart, you can see that it's up about 300% over the last 5 years, and at some point around October, November 2021, it was up to almost $700. Now it's obviously come down off those highs like a lot of other stocks, but it still has a ton of potential. Let's take a look what the financial analysts have to say about this stock. So the recommendation rating is a 1.8 on a scale of 1 to 5, with 1 being a strong buy and 5 being a sell. And the average of 15 analyst price targets is about $420, which is about $100 more than the current stock price, around $326. All right, my number 5 is the ticker symbol AI, and the company is called C3.ai. C3.ai provides enterprise software applications that uses artificial intelligence in things like reliability engineering, customer relations, and even law enforcement. Let's take a look at the stock and some key performance metrics. So the ticker symbol is AI. The price is about $11.34. The PE ratio is 0, so this isn't a profitable company. The dividend yield is also 0, so this company doesn't pay a dividend either. The market cap is about $1.21 billion. If we take a quick look at the stock chart, you can see that this stock is way down from its 2021 highs. It did IPO in 2021, so right when all these stocks were completely booming, so it's still way down off its highs. Let's take a look at the analyst opinions about this stock. So on the same scale, 1 being a strong buy and 5 being a sell, they have this one at a 3.2, which is kind of in the middle, but a little bit towards the sell side. And the average of 8 analyst price targets is $13.63, which is about $2 over the $11 and some that the stock is at right now. All right, number 4, the ticker symbol is SPLK, and the company is called Splunk. Splunk offers IT security software that uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to prevent security incidents and help users stop them before they even happen. Let's take a look at the stock and some key metrics. So the ticker symbol is SPLK. The price is $87.15. The PE ratio is also 0, so this stock is not profitable. And the dividend ratio is also 0, so this company doesn't pay a dividend either. The market cap is $13.65 billion. Let's jump over to the stock chart and see how it's done over the past few years. So over the past 5 years, this stock has been pretty flat. I mean, it had an incredible run up in 2021, like we would expect with most tech stocks. So it has come back down to reality a bit, but if you think that this company is going to continue to grow, it could be a good buy now. Let's see what the analysts have to say about Splunk. So on that same chart, right, 1 strong buy, 5 sell, it's at a 2.1. So they think this is a pretty strong stock to buy. And the average of 35 analyst price targets is $111, which is a good bit over the current price of $87. So the analysts see a lot of upside in this stock. All right, number 3 is the ticker symbol PATH, and the company is called UiPath. UiPath provides robotic process automation software. Their software lets companies build, manage, and run robots that can complete repetitive tasks with less resources and improve operational efficiencies. Let's jump in and take a look at the stock and some key performance metrics. So the ticker symbol is PATH, P-A-T-H. The price is $12.70. The PE ratio is 0, so not a profitable company. The dividend yield is 0%, so it also doesn't pay a dividend. And the market cap is $6.47 billion. Let's jump over the stock chart to see how this one's been performing. This stock IPO'd in about May of 2021, and it has really only been down since its IPO. It peaked a little bit over $80 and it's down to about $12.70 now. This stock did IPO during the COVID boom, so if you bought then, you're probably down quite a bit, but now might be a good time to look into buying it. The stock seems like it stopped its free fall and has stabilized quite a bit. Let's see what the analysts have to say about path. So the recommendation rating is a 2.6, so a little bit closer to that 1 on the buy side. And the average of 19 analyst price targets is $17.20, which is almost $5 higher than the $12.70 price it's at now. All right, number 2 is the ticker symbol UPST, and the company is called Upstart. Upstart is an AI lending platform. They connect people who need loans with banks that have money to loan out to those same people for things like cars, refinancing student loans, and small business loans. Let's jump over to the stock and look at some key performance metrics. So the ticker symbol is UPST. The price is $13.48. The PE ratio is 0, so not profitable. The dividend yield is also 0, so this stock doesn't pay a dividend either. And the market cap is $1.07 billion. Let's jump over to the stock price and see how this one's been performing. If we look at the chart, this one's a new stock, so it was introduced in 2021, and it had an incredible run up. So it went from under $50 to over $400 within 1 year. But then it all came crashing back down and sitting about $13 where it is now. The stock does seem to somewhat have stabilized, but I would still consider this a pretty risky play. If we look at the analyst opinion on this stock, with 1 being a strong buy and 5 being a sell, we're at a 3.5. If we look at the average of 12 analyst price targets, it's looking like $15.71, which is about $2 over the current price of $13.48. So there are some analysts who see some upside in this stock. All right, my number 1 AI stock to watch in 2023 is the ticker symbol DUOT, and the company is called Duos Technologies Group. Duos Technologies provides software mainly built for the transportation industry for things like railways. They help railroad companies move things faster and more efficiently using machine learning and artificial intelligence. This is by far the smallest company on this list, but I wanted to give you guys a moonshot. So it is the highest risk, but it has the highest potential reward as well. Let's take a look at some key performance metrics about this stock. The ticker symbol is DUOT. The price is $11.97. The PE ratio is 0. The dividend yield is also 0%. And the market cap is $14.28 million. So this is an incredibly small public company. Let's jump over and take a look at the stock price. So over the past 5 years, it's moved pretty much sideways, but it is down quite a bit. It peaked around $10, $12, but it's down to $1.97 now. I would consider this a penny stock since it is under $2. Let's take a look at what the analysts think about this stock. And it is so small, they only have 1 analyst rating for it, and they're putting this one on a buy. So a 2 out of a 1 to 5, with 1 being a strong buy and 5 being a sell. And since we only have 1 analyst opinion here, they think that stock is worth $10. So that's about 5 times what the stock's trading at right now for what that analyst opinion is worth. All right, so that's a wrap on my 6 AI stocks to watch out for in 2023. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I'm posting videos regularly about my investing strategies that include high growth, high yield, and unconventional ways to make money in the stock market. I do also need to clarify that this is not financial advice. I don't have a crystal ball, and I don't know if these stocks are going to go up, down, sideways, or what. But I'm showing you what I've found through my research, and you should certainly do your own research as well, especially before purchasing any risky stocks. Thanks everyone, y'all have a great day.